Gang shit, bad shit, in the spot,
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, Anorak Timbs with the tag.
Alright, so I just got back from a trip there, doing a little bit of traveling, a little bit of party with a couple ladies. There's some montage shit there. So guys, living this lifestyle, traveling around and whatnot, I know a lot of you guys are trying to get there, and you really need, in order to be a successful trader, you need a lot of money, guys. So that's what we're talking about here. How are you going to get that lot of money? There's a few different ways that you can get it. The first one, I'll just say that this is what I did, right? I'll be completely honest with you guys, right? As I was getting into the trading world, my trading wasn't quite good enough, and I didn't have quite enough money to be able to live off of, right? I did quit my job because fuck that shit. You know, in my mind, if you're working a 9-to-5 job in order to just pay the bills, pay the food, pay the rent, essentially you're a slave day in, day out. So that's basically what I thought it was. I wasn't able to do that. I wanted a little bit more pressure, a little bit more gamble. So we started our business. We started Hunter FX. We started the YouTube channel. We started getting a little bit of clout that way. This is a means that I really highly recommend you guys going down. Make sure though, you're not one of these stupid fucking gurus talking out their ass. You know who we're talking about here. What's that guy's name? Fucking Jackpot. Took me a second to get it because I haven't made fun of him in a while here. This guy's stuff makes absolutely no sense. It's just random bullshit. You know, different indicators. I won't tell you which ones. You guys can buy the course if you're really curious, but I'll tell you it doesn't work. Now then, this is going to be a very long come up, just like everything else, guys. You're gonna have to really grind the business and focus on the business. And I'll tell you guys this, if you are selling courses, if you are running a business, you are gonna be making more money than you are trading. It's as simple as that. That's what I was doing. I was barely making any money trading compared to what I was making in the business. You're making easy 6 figures running a business under those lines. It doesn't matter if it's a trading related business. You could do drop shipping, you could do pressure washing for your neighbors, some shit like this. Something where you're working on your own time, you can bill your own hours, and you can charge whatever the fuck you want, because you're gonna do a really good job. You're gonna be a luxury service, and you're gonna charge out the ass. Why do you guys think I charged $1,000 for my course back in the day? It's ludicrous. You make way more money that way being the luxury brand. This is how things work. Be the luxury brand. Don't be the cheap motherfucker that sells massive quantity. Be the luxury brand that nobody can afford except for a few of those small fuckers. And then those few of those small fuckers buy a few of them, and you make way more money. There's a lot of talk around your name about being that guy that's luxury, right? Now, the next thing that you can do, this is also something that kind of fell along my path, is because I've been in the crypto market for a long time, you can be an investor and you can just slowly build that capital. Now, with the crypto market, it comes a lot faster, and I really suggest you guys start throwing some money down from your paychecks each week into the crypto market, because eventually this shit's gonna come back. But traditionals or cryptos, doesn't matter what the fuck it is, you're gonna be able to make a lot of money over a longer period of time this way. And then once your trading is in fact good enough, because it's gonna take you a few years anyways, so you can just sit on that and accumulate more and more. You make at least 10% very easily. It's not like fucking Willy Wonky. I don't know what that means even, but it's not up and down random bullshit, right? You have to make money pretty much every day in order for that to work, and then you can take the capital out, and then you can start trading like an actual professional trader. Now guys, this is something that I was able to also come across, is when I was doing the Hunter FX work, I was putting a lot of that money into crypto, and now it did boom, and I was living off of that, and I really relaxed, guys. And I barely did any work for about 2 years, and I barely did any trading for about 2 years, and I just left it in crypto, and then I lost most of it. Now that's fine. I'm down substantially, but we have other businesses coming up. My trading's doing incredibly well here, guys. You can check again my my recent week's trading results here, guys. I'm making at least a few percent every week. Is doing very well. Mind you, the account size is very small in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think is small, but in my opinion, it's very small. I won't go into those numbers, but one day it'll be big again.
That's what she said.
So guys, now the last one here is the rise of these prop firms. There are so many fucking prop firms now, and to plug the best one here, guys, MavenTrading.co. It's coming out this quarter. Pre-sales coming in the next couple weeks here, so keep your eyes on it. Link in the description to join the Discord. Meow, 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 meow. Cats are meowing everywhere. The great thing about MavenTrading.co, guys, I'm just gonna be really fucking clear with this, is there's no time limit. You know, fucking FTMO, everyone can make 10% if you're a profitable trader, but can you make 10% in 30 days? Now, this is why we developed this type of a prop firm, where we wanted the actual traders who could make money to actually get funded, right? And so you take as long as you want. You can also buy back if you do fuck up in the future. You know, you don't get kicked off immediately after one mistake after you're funded. You know, all of these luxury features, you guys can check it out. Enough of the ad. Prop firms, guys, are gonna get you funded, but the problem is you have to be such a substantially better trader than you would have had been otherwise. Basically goes, as your trading career, first of all, you know nothing, right? And then you start doing some research and you're like, oh yeah, I'm good now. I'm good. I'm a good trader. I think I can make money. And then you blow your account a bunch, right? And then you start to be like, okay, maybe I suck. Maybe I should start analyzing and buckle down, start doing some back testing, watching some Hunter FX videos. Hunter FX does everything for you in his videos, and then you just have to apply the logic, right? Start watching some more of my videos there. That's what I'm trying to say here, hinting at you. And then you learn from me or somebody else, of course, and then you get to the point where you're making money, but not every month and not that much. Maybe you're making 2, 3, 4%. Some months you might lose a little bit of money, but on average, you'll only make a couple percent. That is not good enough for a prop firm. This is the drawdown of the prop firms. This is where Maven Trading comes in, because if you are that trader that's making 2, 3, 4% a month, just fucking do the unlimited time limit thing, right? It's gonna take you 4 months this time, but at least you're gonna be able to pass, and then you get $100,000. And then if you are making 3, 4% a month, that's enough to pay your bills. But I'm gonna keep plugging this shit forever because it's the best. It's literally the fucking best prop firm I've ever seen. And it's crypto based, okay? So you know me. Then, if you are going to those traditional prop firms like FTMO, those are the guys that are going to require you to get like 10%. Those are the where you're going to have to be absolutely unreal. And this is why FTMO is such known for, it's kind of the benchmark of a really good trader, right? And guys, I'll be honest, I've tried FTMO in the past. I haven't been able to do it. It's too stressful for me, and I fuck up and I get, you know, only a couple percent in that month, right? And then I have to redo it, and it just takes fucking forever. It's way too mentally draining. I don't like it. I will not be doing it most likely, because I have other options here now, guys, and there's much less stress that way. When you have a time limit, it's a huge stress, guys. Those are basically the 3 options where you have to develop capital. Now, how much capital do you really need? You probably want 1 to 2 years of what you'd want to be living off of. So if you're living off 50K a year, you want about 100K account, right? So that's where the prop firms really come in handy, because 100K is really easy to get that way if you are a really good trader. Or investing in crypto, you're gonna need about 100 grand, which it doesn't come too hard. You could just basically pull it in one bull market, throw $10,000 in, 10x it, cash out. Super simple. To be honest with you guys, starting a business I think is the most realistic, as long as you have some sort of decent idea and you're willing to apply yourself. If you actually want to do extra work and you want to get things done fastest and most efficient, that's the one I would go down. If you want to do things the most lazy, it's the investing platform. And if you want to be the best at something, trading, then do the prop firm way. Guys, if you really want to flex hard, do the prop firm way, because that is the most difficult, but it's the most rewarding. That's all I have to say, Hunter FX. See you later.